Welcome to One Touch Adventure TV. Alright, today I'm gonna unbox two products. Drinking my green juice, very good for you. I'm gonna unbox two products today. One is a outdoor camping stove, and the other one is a tool that every vehicle person should have. As long as you own a vehicle, I think you should have one. So much easier for you if you have a flat or doing some other work yourself and your vehicle. I think this tool is very important. However, you can get these tools to buy in a big box store, but they are expensive. They are pretty expensive. So I see it in Amazon at a very good price, and Amazon did have some sale going on, so I get it, and I get it at a very, very good price. I get it like about 60 bucks, but in reality they are running like from if you happen to get it for like $100 or over $100, you'd have to buy a battery and charger separately. For the tool I'm gonna unbox now and show you, right? And if you're gonna buy it with battery charge, everything, you're paying like roughly near like the $400 or $500. So I'm gonna show you what that product is and how it works and what it's good for. All right. So I'm gonna unbox that first, and then I will unbox the outdoor camping stove after. Sorry, my truck is passing, the garbage truck is passing, so that's why you hear that noise. So let me get the product and unbox it right now. All right, so this is an impact driver drill. All right, from Amazon. All right, so it come into this box here. This is just the shipping box. Right, I'll throw that aside for now. All right, so this is what it looked like. And that's the brand. I pay about 60 bucks for it with the deal at Amazon, the Prime deal that Amazon did have going on, the sale. So I'll pull it now, show you guys what this is. So let me bring this nearer and show you what I have going on here. Let me see. Right, so this is the manual for it. That's the paperwork. And it comes with also some socket, different size socket. It comes with 6 of them. I think one of them can fit like for lug tool, for lug bolt to take off like tires. So it comes with 6 of these. All right, I'll put that aside over there. Come with 2 battery, and the battery is, let me test it, full charge, all 3 light. Battery is fully charged, and it comes with 2 of them, and the 2 battery, they come fully charged. That's good. For this cheap product, come with a full charge battery. That's a plus. This is an extension for the socket, right? So that's an extension for the socket. All right, and over here now, you come with this. This is just a hooking thing you can put with the drill. I'll show you how this works in a bit. The charger for it. Charger feel pretty light, but I mean, you get what you paid for. But they, like just a couple of ounces, very light. Feel cheap. The charger feel cheap, to be honest with you. But the battery, they feel like the normal expensive batteries. Remember, this is a product not It's not contractor grade product, you know, or a Arco Mechanic product. If you're a mechanic and you're doing a mechanic job every day, I don't know if this would work for you, but to be honest with you, the tool itself feel solid metal. It's so solid and it's heavy and it's brushless. So this is a brushless. It feel heavy, it feel just like the expensive one in the store. Come with a pilot light right there. Forward, reverse, and it come with different speeds right there. So I think that's high, low. That's a low speed. You press this, you get the, that's the medium. That's the high. All right. So I'm gonna test it now and see if it can do its job. But before I do that, I'll show you how this thing works. So on the side of it, you see that hole right there? This now, it fits in it like that. That you can hook it up. When you can finish, you can hook it on your belt or anything like that if you're working. I don't think I need this on it. But you can put it on if you need to. Alright, so I'll go by the vehicle and I'm gonna show you how it really do operate. So this is the one for the lug nut, 21 millimeter. That's the one that I'm gonna pull the lug nut that I wanted to pull. Yeah. So journey with me and let me show you what it can do. I'll just pull off one of my vehicle lug nuts and show you how powerful it can be. Like butter, and this lug nut is tight, so it feels so good. The only thing that feels cheap with this is the charger. Otherwise, everything else feels so good. Perfect, like perfect. It is so powerful that if you don't know what you're doing, you will over tighten the lug nut. That's how powerful it is. Alright, let me see, package it back now and show you. And it is perfect to just put in the back of your vehicle because it comes with a hard case and the case feels solid. Everything feels solid, everything. This is the only thing that feels cheap. So I have to take my good care with this because it feels cheap. But everything else is solid. So I'll just, how do I put this now? Okay, like this. One battery there, one battery there. Charger over here. Hold on, let me see. Oh, this is the charger part. That's the charger right there. Another battery. And the lug nuts. I'll just maybe just squeeze them anywhere. Only thing they should have something that really like for the lug nut. There should be a part inside of it that can put the lug nuts. So I have to just put them all over and it will still close. right? And there's a foam up there. So that's it. Feel good. Just put it in a vehicle, travel with it. You get stranded on the street, buy a puncher. You have a flat, this is perfect. Handy. Make your job so much easier. So I don't think I'm gonna regret my $60 because the name brand stuff, they are like 300, 400 with battery and charger, 500. So it's perfect for what I want this to do. And it feels good. The only thing that doesn't feel sturdy to me is the charger. Everything else feels good. So that's it for my impact drill. Oh, guys, it is so hot. I'm so sweating right now. Water is rushing down. I think it's more like 100 and something. I'm on the outside, I'm in the garage. So it is so hot. I'm drinking some green juice with ice. But it's ridiculously hot. All right, it is hot. So the next product is my outdoor stove. They call it the camping stove, and it's a 3 burner. And if you know anything about me, I love to cook. So this stove, when you hear me put this in my backyard and start cook, and I'm not normal. Right? I'll show you what it look like, and then I get going with it. So this is it right there. This is the box that it come in. I pull it out of the box already and I put it in a carry bag. But that's what it look like. Let me put this up on the table here and have a closer look. That's what it look like. When it's set up, done, it's gonna look like this. And it's a 3 burner stove, right? All the package that it was packaged, and I pull it before now. Right? Alright, so and then I put it in a carry bag. So this is a carry bag for it. Just like my tent in a carry bag on top of my grill. That's how I keep these. So let me put this up and see. I'll just do this. It was in the box and plastic and cardboard, but I pull everything out and just put in the carry bag. So it comes with 4 legs. I also get this on a deal on Amazon when they were having their discount day. So it comes with 4 legs, and I'm going to show you how to install them. So this is the carry bag right there for it. But you know, when I start cooking them thing here now, and grease start to flash on it and thing, you know, you got to wash it off real good before you put it back in the carry bag. Because you don't really want to put it with the grease and everything in the carry bag, because that's just gonna might make a carry bag smell and stuff like that. So you clean it real good before you put it back in a carry bag. And always put it in a carry bag when it's cool. If you're planning to buy one, make sure you cool it down, you clean it, and you put it back in the carry bag. Okay? Alright, it also comes with a hose for the cylinder. So disconnect to the stove, disconnect to the cylinder, the propane gas. So this is what a propane look like. Oh, let me show you. So let me put the feet in. So this part right? From here, it's smaller than over here. So this is the part that's going to go, let me show you, that's going to go inside here. So it's like this. And then you tighten it. Not going anywhere. Same one with this. Then you tighten it. I'm gonna pull it back because I'm gonna put it back in the bag, but I'm just showing you what it looked like after it's set up. Same procedure. So 4 legs. All right, let me show you what it looked like when we put it to stand. Have a little weight to it. It's pretty heavy, you know, so just be careful and don't hurt yourself when you do this. So on the back side of it, that's where you connect your hose through to. This is where your hose is connected. It comes with a protective plastic that the threading does not mess up in transporting to the customer. Come over it like that, just pull off, and then you can, the hose comes with a washer inside of it, black rubber washer, stopping the leakings. So hold on. So hose connect to that, and then the regulator will connect to the gas right there, just like that. Connect to the gas. So this is what the stove look like. I already put on the knobs on it, so you have from high to low. So from high to low, and they turn good, pretty sturdy. It feels so sturdy, and it's pretty heavy as well. So this is what it looked like. It says right there. So as soon as I start cooking on it, you will see they build these around here for wind. It'll protect the wind from blowing the flame or out in the flame, right? They also have a protective guard that they sell that you can put around it, highlight this all the way around. I never want that one. I want this one. I'm gonna drop my pot them on this, I'm good to go, you know. So just an unboxing at my store. I get this like for 120 bucks, and I really like it. Pretty sturdy, a very good brand. That's the brand right there. Very good brand and pretty sturdy. So I love my my little outdoor investment, the drill and the stove. So I just unbox and show you guys. All right, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned, and you will have more videos coming your way soon. All right, let me go back to my green juice because it's real hot. Look how I'm sweating, you see? In Florida today, it's like 100. Oh, I'm so hot. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe. Share my video with other people, and touch the thumbs up button. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed rest of your day. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye.